Hello guys, welcome to another Autocad video. Today we are going to be looking at solid editing. So solid editing is kind of like how in 2D we were using those 2D editing tools where we were meshing two objects and stuff like that. But only difference here is we'll be using 3D objects. So let's get started. Let's start with a simple square and then another simple square. So we're gonna use these guys as test objects. So let's see the first one, solid union. Solid union is nothing but combining two solid objects together. So let me move this guy a bit here. Right now they're both two different objects, yeah. And if I click on solid union, click on these objects, press enter, then our single object. So that's how solid union works. Next up, we are going to be looking at solid subtract. Solid subtract is nothing but making a hole in between. More like it just subtracts the second object you choose from the main object. So right now these two are intercepting, right? So if I choose this, click on the first object, press enter, and then click on the second object, it will minus the second object from the first object and then disappear the second object itself. So that's why there's a cutout here rather than uh, being only the second object. So that is solid union, not solid union, solid subtract. The third one is solid intersect. So intersect basically just only keeps the intercepted objects. So let me show you what I mean. If I click this object, click these objects and press enter, only the intersected object is shown. So this is how you can make some like different kind of intercepts in between. You can also like show like combining multiple objects and then like showing these are the intersect points, and even get like different designs in a way which you might need for a future like model you're creating. So anyway, these are the three major objects, not objects, solid editing tools which most people use. Okay. Uh, Next up is interface. Interface is nothing but creates a connection between two objects, and then select second object, and this is just this, and this just shows what is intersecting in between them. Right now, before I clicked enter, it showed what was in between. So let me show it again. First object, second object, and then as you can see here, this is the intersect. So yeah, this shows what is highlighted and everything. It's more of just a way to show you what are objects getting intersected rather than using that intersect tool to just completely remove them. This shows what's intersecting, so you can like preemptively make a plan on what you want to do. All right, slice is another tool where it just slices the object in half. So you first select an object and then draw a point which you're gonna be using. Press enter, and as you can see, it sliced the object in two. Now you can move this object anywhere you want. So this is basically the use of slice tool. And then we have thicken. Thicken just thickens a surface, like models which have no dimensions, just flat surface. Extract edges just extracts the edges of any object. Like as you can see now, if I move this, the edges will be there in 2D lines. Extract face just extracts a single face, and we can just move it around if you need it. And separate just separates the 3D objects in two parts, I guess. Yes, these tools are pretty good when you're editing with solid 3D models, and you might be using them a lot depending on what you're modeling. Anyways, hopefully this video was useful and hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.
To obtain a course completion certificate, visit our site and finish the rest of the course video. Sign up or sign in, choose your level, watch the video and take the quiz. Finish all the quiz to unlock the final quiz and get your certificate. Happy learning!